Hello, friends. In today's video we will discuss how to watch Hotstar from Canada country.
Hotstar is leading streaming website of India. But issue is it's a geo-restricted. Hotstar website is only work if you from India, that means you need a Indian IP address.
If you are from Canada and wants to watch out Indian Hotstar, kindly use a VPN service.
Now question will be arise in your mind is which VPN is best to stream Hotstar. Let's find out the best one.
To stream Hotstar, I recommend you to subscribe ExpressVPN. You get the latest offer and discount links in description of this video.
Now let's see how to use ExpressVPN and stream Hotstar in Canada.
First step is subscribe the ExpressVPN. Currently offering a 49% off plus 3 months free. Links available on description. Use it to get more discount. Download and install on your device as it's work on almost all device. Now go to location list and select India country.
That's it, you can watch out Hotstar without any issue. Why I recommend ExpressVPN. They provide best support, huge number of server, fast speed and easily unblock geo restriction. Subscribe now to get best discount. Links will be available in description of this video. Longer the plan, discount will be more. You can enjoy many things on Hotstar, likes of popular TV shows, dramas and sports events like IPL, World Cup, Asia Cup etc.